So, good morning, sir. Myself, Rohit Kumar, and my project partner is Netaji Sai. We together did a project named a color detection. Coming to the abstract of our project, color detection is a process of detecting a name of a color. For us, like humans, it is a very easy task to detect a color, but for computers, it is a difficult task to identify which color. So that's why we choose this project. Um, we use inbuilt python inbuilt functions like pandas and opencv for this project, and the aim of our project is color detection is necessary to recognize objects. It is also used as a tools in various image editing and drawing apps. A color algorithm identifies pixel in an image that matches a specified color or color range. Coming to the introduction, in this color detection Python project, we are going to build an application in Python language. To get results, we use the Navier basis classifier. Pandas and OpenCVs are used in this project, which can automatically detect the color name. So, uh, with the use of data sets which is having color names and its values, we are gonna uh, predict which color is this. So coming to the features we are used in this project, first we capture the image from the device. The first step is to fetch a high quality image with resolution. To load an image, we use a command called cv2.imreadoff. This function will give an image path which is present in our device. So after giving the path, it will recognize the image which is having include three links: front end video information, collection and transmission, and it will retrieve the image and back end analysis processing. Image recognition requires front end video capture camera to provide a clear and stable video signal. Coming to the segmentation of the image, this image segmentation is to separate the object or objects in the video sequence that are important or people are interested in the background. So, and after recognition and segmentation, we will extract the colors, uh, like RGB, extraction of RGB colors. In this phase, three layer colors are extracted from the input device. All color images on screens such as televisions, laptops, monitors, mobile screens are produced by the combination of red, green, and blue light. Each primary color takes an intensity value from 0 to 255. When the primary value is 0, then the linear combination corresponds to black. When it is primary color is 1, it corresponds to white. And after extraction of RGB colors, we will calculate the minimum distance from coordinates. The minimum distance is calculated by considering moving towards the origin from point from all the corners to get the most matching color. We will use this function like d is equal to absolute of r int function to calculate the minimum distance from coordinates. Then we will display this image with shades of color. After calculating the distance from the coordinates, we will, a rectangle window is popped out. In that, we used to display the image with the shades of color. After we double click on that image, it will automatically give you the RGB values and the color name of the color. To display an image, we use like inbuilt function called cv2.im show off. After after showing that image in the rectangular window, we will get then RGB values. The coming to mathematical representation, we'll have the distance formula. The distance is calculated by this formula, like d is equal to absolute of using this mathematical representation. We will calculate the distance. After calculating distance and color, we will remove the noise from the color image. To minimize the noise effects, one is a rental scheme and another one is vector signal processing techniques. These are the two techniques to minimize the noise effects. The rental scheme adopts filters originally developed from grayscale image to color image.
First we will fetch an input image, and then we will extract the color from the RGB, and then we will display the image on a rectangular window, and then we will calculate the distance between coordinates. As you know, like red, green, and blue are the primary colors that can be mixed to produce different colors. Like the present color detection project takes the path of an image as an input and looks for the composition of three different colors, red, green, and blue, in the given image. Now I will show implementation of our project, sir. First, we will create the data set which we made up of three primary colors like red, green, and blue. The color dot we have the CSV file, like the colors dot CSV file includes 865 color names along with their RGB and X values. We use functions like OpenCV and Pandas and NumPy are the Python packages that are necessary for this project in Python. To install them, we simply run this pip command in our shell. Below is the code to run these commands. And then the next step is taking an image from the user. We are using like function argparse library to create an argument parser. We can directly give an image path from the command prompt. This is the first we will import argparse, and then we will read the CSV file with pandas. Uh, the pandas library is very useful when we need to perform various operations on data files like CSV. Like we use the function pd.read CSV, which reads the CSV file and it loads into the pandas data frame. We have assigned each column with a name for easy accessing. And then we set a mouse callback function event with an window. First, we created a window in which the input image will display. Then we set a callback function which will be called when a mouse event happens. After that, we create the draw function which will calculate the RGB values of the pixel, and then we'll double click. The function parameters have the event name XY coordinates of the mouse position. This function, we check if the event is double clicked, then we calculate and set RGB values along with the XY position of the mouse, and we'll calculate distance to get color name. We have RGB values. Now we need another function which will return us the color name from RGB values. To get the color name, we calculate distance d, which tells us how we are to color and choose which have minimum distance. Use this function d equal to absolute of red minus ith red color and green minus ith green color and blue minus ith. This is the below is the code for to calculate distance to get color name. And then the next step of our project is we display the image on a separate window. Whenever we double click an event, it occurs, it will update the color name and RGB values on the windows. Like we use the function using the cv2.imshow function, we draw the image on the window. When the user double clicks the window, we draw a rectangle and get the color name to draw text on the window using cv2.rectangle and cv2.putText function. Below is the code to display image on the separate window, sir. And then we run the Python file which begins our results and analysis. And also we have listed some research framework to this project, sir. How OpenCV and Pandas used for color detection we have described below, and also working with color detection with OpenCV. This is the workflow of our project. First we'll read an image and then it will take to pixel detection and then we will get the color detection. The main drawback of this research area is according to the color information in RGB color space, like the dominant color is determined at first star. So in the color image segmentation, the primary step is to settle on color space. The technology of color detection is mostly poor than image and video surfing quality. Nowadays, every person wants to get best colors in image and videos, but now we apply many algorithms and techniques, but both results are not good because of color segmentation. So, so we keep good efforts to get best results, and so that's why we apply Navier-based classifier and OpenCV libraries in this Python language, and we'll show clear implementation with analysis and code and output this, and the next review, sir. Thank you.